All right, here's what you've got to know about this Google Nest battery powered home doorbell camera unit. First, let me just show you everything about the actual doorbell, then we'll talk about the app. So people come up to the house, they see the camera. I think most people know what this is now. They know they're on camera, they got the doorbell. If they want to hit it, they can hit it. And physically, there's no way to get this thing off the wall unless you use the little key. They give you this key, and there is a little slot on the top. Push it just a little bit, and it pops off the back. The back installs with just 2 screws. It's really simple. When you need to charge the battery, you just plug this in. But dang, this battery life, on the app, it's telling me it's got 17 months of battery life. So it lasts a long time. You can feel that. Like, it's got a pretty good sized battery in there. To reinstall it, you just put it camera side up, set it on the bracket, give it like a little push, and it locks in place. Now, as for the app side of things, you just need the Google Home app. And if you've got a bunch of Google Home devices, like we've got a couple of TVs and things like that, it'll show them all here. But then you just go to doorbell. It does take a few minutes to set this thing up. You've got to select the doorbell and it has to correspond with it and stuff. So it's not like you pull it out of the box, screw it into your wall, and you're good to go. It does take a couple minutes of setup using the app. There is an info screen about the doorbell. Like in this case, you can see that 17-month thing I was talking about. It'll tell you the time and the percentage of charge. Then you have a couple options. You can go to the history. You can go to a sort of settings page where you can control the camera, turn on audio, turn off audio, all that stuff. And the main thing people want is you can go to live video. So that allows you to see live what's going on through the camera. The doorbell will also send you alerts and all that kind of stuff, but this is my main view from the camera, people coming right up the front steps. They have definitely simplified and streamlined the device. Like, the device itself is just super modern and clean. It's also got just a big lens, so I feel like everyone in this area gets spotted. And even though people will still come to the door and like lean into the camera, if they stand back here, it's actually just fine. I can hear them and we can see them just as well. So it's a simple device and a useful tool. Just make sure you save this thing on a nail or hook inside the house or something. It's the key you need every few months or whatever to take this thing off the mount and charge it up.